Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another MAQ video. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the newest Xcalibur. So this is going to be our final review. So we're going to be talking about this Beyblade. Is it worth it or not? Like, should you get it or should you not get it? So without further ado, let's get right into it. So this is the Beyblade itself, Xiphoide Excalibur. And as you can see here, the layer looks so beautiful and it's so awesome. And this is the disc Xanthus. And this is the tip Sword Dash. And this is the disc. So let's talk about the disc. So this is the Xanthus disc, which is technically Magnum from Beyblade Burst, from the Beyblade Burst anime. So from the Beyblade Burst saga, the first generation. So Magnum had this red color, red color frame-like thing. The same thing is over here. The same idea. And now let's look at the layer itself. So this is how it looks like. And it just has so much Xeno Excalibur vibes in the center, which is exactly Xeno Excalibur vibes. And this part reminds me of Buster Excalibur. This part also reminds me of Buster Excalibur. And the sword tip reminds me of Sieg Excalibur. And actually, this part reminds me of Sieg Excalibur. It's a marriage between all the three Excaliburs. So yeah, and this is a chicken here. The avatar is a chicken, by the way, if you guys didn't know that. So yeah, it's a bird or chicken, whatever you call it. I don't know. So this is the Beyblade, and the gimmick is that the sword extends. So when it hits to the second click, as you can see, this is the second click, the sword extends. Before that, it is blocked. So before that, it'll be blocked, and then afterwards, after the second click, it will come out and it'll extend. So that's its ability. It is so cool. Let me show you guys a chip here. So as you can see here, the chip has the sword that moves, retracts, so it just extends, which is pretty awesome. So the extension is the gimmick of the layer itself, of the chip itself, which is pretty strong, and the chip itself is pretty heavy. So that is one thing to note down. And this is the weight. So this is the one weight. It is similar to the one dash disc, so you don't need any explanation. So as you can see here, it has that one heavy contact point, and the other parts are light. So that's the thing. And this is how it looks in the high mode. As you can see here, the points, the sword point, the weight point, and the actual, extended sword. So the gimmick in Xanthus is pretty awesome. It has these clip-like things which actually connect with this point, with these 2 points. So these 2 points, one is over here and the other one is over here. They both connect and, make the Beyblade tighter. The same thing applies to the disc, to the tip. So it does the same thing here. So these, the 2 points, they connect to form a much tighter joint. So as you can see, it's more tight, and it's just so tight. Like, instead of being loose, it's very tight and very stiff. So it's like one solid body and one solid heavy attack. And by the way, it just looks so awesome at this, angle. It looks so good. And yeah, it's very thick, by the way. You can see that it's very thick, and it's actually very heavy. So yeah, and this is just a quick look. So these 2 points connect with these 2 points and make it much tighter. The same idea. And this is the sword, which is pretty powerful. The sword launcher, which is pretty powerful. And I have all the 3 sword launchers, the blue version and the red version of the Xeno Excalibur sword launcher, and I have the blue version of the digital sword launcher. So yeah, as you can see here, this sword, DB sword launcher, is similar to the digital one, but without the digital stuff. It's just better than that one because the digital one breaks a lot. So yeah. And there was one battle done. The battle was between Valtryek and Xcalibur, and Excalibur just one-shot burst finish. So it's actually strong in real life. The Excalibur Beyblade is very strong in real life. It actually bursts Valtryek like it's nothing. So that's one thing to note down. They were not lying. The the promo video is not lying. It's actually true that it's overpowered and it's very strong. So this Beyblade finally breaks the curse of Excalibur. This breaks the curse of Excalibur, and I'm ready to get this guy. I've already ordered it from Amazon, and I hope, inshallah, we get this Beyblade and I will do the unboxing. So make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed, guys. So final thoughts, definitely get this Beyblade. It's worth it. See you guys next time. Ma salama. Bye-bye.